Hello everyone, welcome back to our JSP and Servlet video course. Today in this video, as I promised, we will create our very first Java web application. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Before creating our application, we need a couple of tools. The first tool that we need is Java JDK. The latest version is 1.9, but if you have installed a previous versions, which is at 1.8, then it is completely okay because we are not using any specific features of 1.9. So if you are using the older versions, then it is completely okay. The second tool that we need is IDE. I have already installed Eclipse IDE on my machine, so I will use the same IDE. If you are using any other IDEs, then it is okay. It's completely your choice. The third tool that we need is Apache Tomcat. I have downloaded the Apache Tomcat 8. If you are using any other higher versions, then it is completely okay, but highly recommend you to download the same version that I have downloaded. The fourth tool that we need is database. Yes, in the future videos, we will connect our application to a database, so we need database. I have installed Exam Server on my machine, so I will use the MySQL database. If you are using any other database, then it is completely okay. It's your choice. The link will be given in the description section to download these softwares. You can download it from the respective websites. I have already downloaded these softwares on my machine, so I don't go over the installation process. The installation is pretty straightforward. If you have installed any softwares previously, then you can install these softwares as well. Once the installation is done, let's open our Eclipse IDE. Once the Eclipse IDE is open, the first thing we need to add our Apache Tomcat to our Eclipse IDE. So let's do that first. In order to add our Apache Tomcat, go to the servers option. If you did not find this option, then go to the window and choose show view and go to the servers option, but I will choose it from here. So click on this and click on the link to create a new server, and it will display all the servers which are available. So I will go to the Apache and I will choose the appropriate version that I have downloaded and click add. Here we have to add the folder that where you have downloaded our Apache Tomcat. Click on this browse and choose the folder that you have downloaded, but I have already added. Click finish and click next. Click finish. Now the server is added. Right click on the server, click on start. The server is started now. So now go to the browser, type localhost :8080 and hit enter. If you did not find the homepage of Apache Tomcat, then we have not configured our Tomcat properly. So minimize this and stop the server. Go to the servers option, right click on the server, go to the properties. Here click on this switch location and click apply and click OK. And now double click on the server, and here in the server locations we have to choose use Tomcat installation instead of use workspace metadata, and click save. Close the window, go to the servers option and right click, click on start. Now go to the browser, reload the web page. You should expect the home page of Apache Tomcat. Now the server is up and running. Let's create our very first Java web application. To create a Java web application, choose Dynamic Web Project. To create a dynamic web project, go to File, go to New and choose Dynamic Web Project from the list, or you can create it from a toolbar. In the toolbar, click on the little icon, give a name to your project, JSP and Servlet demo. Choose the model version 2.5 instead of 3.1. Click finish. Double click on the project to open. When we create a dynamic web project, we will get all these. We will concentrate only on Java resources and web content. Double click on the Java resources. It contains a source folder and the libraries. The libraries contains all the jar files that we have added to our project. Inside the source folder, we will create our package and we will add our Java classes. Double click on the web content. It contains meta-inf and a web-inf. Double click on the web-inf. It contains library folder and a web.xml. Inside the library folder, we will add our external jars. Inside the web-inf, we will create our view pages, nothing but a JSP pages. Double click on the web.xml. Go to the source section. As I said before, web.xml is an entry point to our web application. Not only this application, if you create any Java web application, web.xml is the entry point to that application. When we run the application, the control first come to this web.xml and it will look into the welcome file list. The welcome file list contains the landing page of our application. If the web.xml did not contain welcome file list, then depending upon the URL, the respective servlet will be executed. If the web.xml contains welcome file list, then the specified page will be executed and displayed to the user. To keep this video simple, I will remove all the welcome files and I will keep it only one. So index.html is our landing page. But our application did not contain a landing page. Let's create one landing page with the name index.html. Since it is a static page, we will create this inside the web content outside the web-inf folder. Right click on the web content, go to new and choose HTML file and give a name to your file, index.html. Click finish. Inside the body, I will write some text. I will open a heading tag. This is our landing page. Click save and right click on the project, choose run as, choose run on server, choose the server and click next, choose the project, click finish and restart the server, click OK. So you will see the text, this is our landing page. I will copy the link and I will open a browser and paste it and hit enter. You should expect the landing page. This is our landing page, which means when we run the application, the control go to the web.xml and it looks into the welcome file list and picks the specified web page and executed and displayed to the user. This is how we will create a Java web application. In this video, we learned how to create a dynamic web project, how to add Apache Tomcat to our Eclipse IDE, and how to configure the Apache Tomcat. And we created our landing page to our application. In the next video, we will create our very first servlet class and a JSP. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video.